Bhavaye Paramatmanam. That is the first question, first request. Bhavaye Paramatmanam. I contemplate upon Paramatma. Nitaram Bhavaye Paramatma. This Paramatma, Bhavabhaya Duram, that which is untouched, far away from the fear of samsara, mrityu bhaya, etc. Bhavabhaya Duram, free from samsara. Duram means it transcends both. Bhavaye Paramatmanam. How do you know there is a Paramatma? Iti. Shravana Manana. By Shravana Manana, I have come to know. So I don't remember. Bhavaye Paramatmanam. Bhavaye Paramatmanam. Bhavabhaya Duram. Nitaram Bhavaye Paramatmanam. Bhavabhaya Duram. Shravana Manana Mukha Prapta Satatvam Adi Madhyanta Rahitam Paripurnam. Bhavaye Paramatmanam. Bhavabhaya Duram. Shravana Manana Mukhat Prapta Satatvam Surupam. By Shravana Manana Abhyam. Because this is Nididhyasana. Therefore Shravana Manana alone is there. Shravana Manana Mukha Prapta Satatvam Adi Madhyanta Rahitam Nityam Kala Parichinnam Adi Madhyanta Rahitam Kala Parichinnam Desha Parichinnam Paripurnam. Bhavaye Paramatmanam. Bhavabhaya Duram. Duram. Kalpita Sakala Bhuvanadharam. Kalpita Sakala Bhuvanadharam. Kalpita Sakala Bhuvanadharam. Kalpita Sakala Bhuvanadharam. कल्पित सकलस्य जगतः भुवनस्य आधारम् कल्पित सकल भुवनाधारम् सद्गुरु सुमुख कमलोद्भूतम् Sadguru Sumukha Kamalodbhutam. That which is the fragrance, the lakshyartha of the Upadesha, the Sadguru. Sadguru Sumukha Kamalodbhutam. Japa tapa karma सुशितया बुद्ध्या बोधं प्रतिबोधं विदितं मखान्तम्. How do you contemplate? By a buddhi. How did you get that kind of buddhi? Japa, tapa. So tapas. Then what is that? Yeah. Sushitaya. The Sushitaya Buddhya, a buddhi that is honed by japa and tapo karma. Bodham pratibodham. Bodham, how do you know? By this buddhi. In every cognition. It's not that there is one cognition for Paramatma and for a cow another cognition. In cow cognition also Paramatma cognition. In every cognition. Bodham pratibodham viditam, and therefore mahantam, therefore is there. Bodham pratibodham viditam mahantam. If it is an object of one cognition, it will be vastu, it will have vastu paricheda. This has no vastu paricheda. Desha paricheda I have talked about. Kala paricheda I have talked about. This has no vastu paricheda. Mahantam. Bodham pratibodham viditam mahantam. Asangama swapnam achintya rupam. Asangama swapnam achintya rupam. Shantam shivam nirvikalpam paresham. Asangama swapnam achintya rupam. Shantam shivam, that which is Shanta, Ananda. Shantam shivam nirvikalpam paresham. Who is Ishvara? Not only lakshyartha, vachyartha also. For Ishvara must be there. Asangama swapnam achintya rupam. Shantam shivam nirvikalpam paresham. Sukam samam sada sarva bhuteshu gudam. Sukam swatantram subodha swarupam. Sukam swatantram subodha swarupa is only consciousness. There is no other swarupa. बाकी सब negation. Only Atma, Chaitanya alone is Swarupa. Baki sab negation. Words were negation. Sukham swatantram subodha swarupam samam sada sarva bhuteshu gudam Sukham swatantram subodha swarupam bhavaye paramatmanam bhava bhayaduram nitara bhavaye paramatmanam bhava bhayaduram. ऐसा है. Very nice to contemplate. कल करेंगे उसका.